Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is France Gonzalez and welcome to our very first video of our masterclass program. I'm glad that you guys decided to join our masterclass because not only would you get a better understanding of the world of direct-to-film, but you will also be a master of DTF printing. So for starters, you might need one of these. This is an Acrorip and it's version 10.5. This will help you install the program that will help you connect the computer to the printer. Obviously, you might have to do more things when it comes to the internet and cables, but that will be for another video. So for now, I will show you how to install Acrorip on your computer. Right, so this is the Acrorip and we're gonna connect this to the computer or laptop, wherever you're deciding to plug it in on. Perfect. So once you already insert the USB to the computer, you would see inside the box where the Acrorip came from, there is a link that you will have to input it onto your computer so that way you could download the driver. Open up your browser here and up here in the search bar, you're gonna type in the URL code or the link that was provided to you with your Acrorip. We already have it here, so once we already have that set up, we're gonna press enter. So no website is gonna pop up, it's just gonna show down here that something is being downloaded and we're gonna open it up, or you could put open. Once it's done, it's gonna open up on its own, and as you can see right here, it is open. So we're gonna click here twice where it says DTG RIP setup. We're gonna click it twice and it might take a while in order for it to open up, and you're gonna get a pop-up here and just click yes. It's part of the process, and just like any other application that we've installed on our computer or laptop, you're gonna keep pressing next. So this is a yes. I'm gonna keep pressing next, 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 and we're gonna click install, and right now your Acrorip is being installed. So at the end, this is where you just finish the process, and you'll notice Acrorip right here. And if it's not in the home page or in the home screen, as you can see right here, I'm highlighting it right now, you could search it up here and it will be under DTG right here. And there goes the program, guys. So this is Acrorip. Everything looks plain so far, but trust me, there will be more videos explaining how to use Acrorip and how to set it up correctly. So this is the first step to the printing process. Be on the lookout for future videos, upcoming videos, where you could see how we actually use Acrorip and many different functions that the program has. Other than that, not just the program, we will also be supplying more information on the printer itself and different settings that the computer should have in order for you to print out the way that you want. So be on the lookout for these videos, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.